Hello everyone, today I have a review of our replicas of our Russian folding knives Shirogorov, model F95 Icebreaker and F3. F95 Icebreaker, total length is 22.3 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 4 millimeters. According to the marking on the blade, the steel should be M390. But here the manufacturer honestly informs that it is D2, tempered between 59-60 HRC, satin finish, full flat grind. On the blade you can see a logo, the Pistinka bear's head. I like it very much. On the other side we have a description M319. Opening with a flipper, frame lock. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle is made of titanium in grey blue and silver color. The pocket clip is also made of titanium, quite fancy. A hole for paracord. F3. Total length is 20.5 centimeters. Blade length is 9 centimeters. Blade thickness is 4 millimeters. The steel of the blade is D2, tempered to 60 HRC, satin finish, flat grind. On the blade, a logo, the Pistinka bear's head. On the other side, we have an inscription D2. Opening with a flipper. Liner lock here, ball bearings. The handle scales are made of G10 in a mixed purple color. It looks nice. 7 cutouts on both sides of the handle. Additionally, a very comfortable profiling for the forefinger here. Good to work with it. Thanks to G10 it fits securely in the hand. Also an interesting pocket clip. A hole for paracord. The screws can be adjusted with some small coin. In summary, I really like this design, although quite raw. It still has something in itself. Unfortunately, the prices for the original knives are very high, and due to the current situation it's difficult to get one. Of course, I have a comparison with the originals, but here is really nothing to complain about. The mechanics work great. Nice steel. Surprisingly, it doesn't catch rust. That's perfect. They are larger folders, but it absolutely doesn't disturb with carrying in it. They are also not too heavy, especially F95 models. That's all in this review, and thanks for watching.